สวัสดีค่ะ This is Nan. As promised to listeners who voted for audio flashcards on Anki, I have added 4 more decks based on episode 89 to 100, covering the topics of Thai movies, pop songs, ice cream, and baking cookies. Check out the links in the episode description. And if you don't use Anki, don't forget that we also have flashcards on Quizlet as well. Quizlet can be used without installation on your computer. Find all the links in the episode description. Happy learning! Do you like this podcast so far? Get more of it by becoming a premium member. Listeners in Thailand are recommended to subscribe on Patreon. Otherwise, you can subscribe on Anchor, which will directly send the premium episodes to your Spotify account. You can also add the episodes to your favorite listening platforms such as Apple Podcasts. The tutorial is in the episode description. And no matter how you subscribe, you will get more materials to learn from. And the premium episodes are ad-free. Thank you and see you there!